Deer are ruminant mammals belonging to the family Cervidae. All male deer have antlers with the exception of the Chinese water deer which have tusks. This family classification includes well-known animals like the moose, red deer, reindeer, and roe. Male deer are called bucks, females are does, and the young are fawns. Only the males grow antlers except the reindeer. The term is deer whether you are talking about one of them or more. Deer are found to live in every region around the world except for Australia and Antarctica. Only one species of deer lives in Africa, the red deer. Reindeer are the only species of deer where the females have antlers as well as the males. Deer are the only animals in the world that feature antlers. Moose have the largest antlers of all the species. They are covered with velvet. Deer first identified by the Europeans and then taken by them into the area we know today as New Zealand. There are more than 60 deer species that have been identified. Deer have a homeland range and it can span about 30 miles. They will move around the area finding different places to sleep and food to eat. Deer have lots of muscles in their ears. This allows them to turn the ears different directions, but they don't have to move their bodies as they do so. In the fall, deer will shed their summer coat. A thicker and fuller one will appear to keep them very warm in the winter time. The average speed for a deer is 35 miles per hour for a short distance. Deer weights generally range from 40 to 680 kilograms. Dead male deer have been found with their antlers interlocked with each other, stuck in a tree where they were rubbing, and even barbed wire fences. White-tailed deer are herbivores, leisurely grazing on most available plant foods. Their stomachs allow them to digest a varied diet, including leaves, fruits, and nuts, grass. All species of deer have a four-chambered stomach so they can chew cud. This process involves partially chewing food, regurgitating it, and then chewing it more before it is able to be digested into the body. Adult whitetails have reddish-brown coats in summer which fade to a duller grayish-brown in winter. Male deer called bucks are easily recognizable in the summer and fall by their prominent set of antlers, which are grown annually and fall off in the winter. Only the bucks grow antlers, which bear a number of tines or sharp points. During the mating season, also called the rut, bucks fight over territory by using their antlers in sparring matches. Female deer, called does, give birth to 1 to 3 young at a time, usually in May or June, and after a gestation period of 7 months. Young deer called fawns wear a reddish-brown coat with white spots that helps them blend in with the forest. The young fawns have spots on them that disappear when they are about 4 months of age. Due to their eyes being at the side of the head, they have a 310-degree view. Their average lifespan is about 7 to 14 years in the wild. In the wild, whitetails, particularly the young, are preyed upon by bobcats and mountain lions. Approximately 1.5 million vehicles are involved in accidents annually from hitting deer. The cost of these accidents is about 1 million per year. They also result in about 150 deaths per year.